Hello guys, welcome to my channel Nani PLAYZ and Tech. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic called some natural phenomena. Introduction. You have learnt about cyclone storms. You know that cyclones can cause a lot of damage to environment, and we know that the preventive measures to protect from this dangerous phenomena. Like that, there are two other natural phenomena. They are lightning and earthquakes. First, lightning. When thunderstorm develops, the air current move upwards whereas the water drop moves downwards. This movement also causes a suppression of positive and negative charges. The negative charges accumulate near the lower end of the cloud while the positive charges collect near the upper edge. Also, positive charge accumulates on the ground. As the charges accumulate, it reaches a stage where it is impossible for air to resist. When these charges meet, they create streaks of light. The charge gets discharged. The discharge can occur between the two clouds or between two clouds, and yet this causes lightning. Some do's and don't do's during a thunderstorm or lightning. Chances that you will be caught in lightning storm at least once in life. Find a place. If you are outside, then try to avoid open places like fields or elevated places. Stay away from trees, poles, any metallic objects. Many buildings have lightning conductor installed to protect the building from a lightning strike. It is simply a metallic rod taller than the building, which is inserted in the walls of the building, with one end in the walls of the building in the air and the other deep in the ground. It is a sudden shaking or trembling on the earth for a short time caused by disturbance deep inside the earth's crust. Have you ever wondered what causes earthquakes? Let's understand the structure of earthquake. Before looking the reasons behind earthquakes, internally it is made up of 4 layers. The crust is not a single piece covering the inner layers, it is fragmented into smaller plates. These plates are in continuous motion. Every time they collide with each other or go above or below the other, a disturbance is felt in the crust. This is an earthquake. However, we are yet to understand how and when these plates collide or brush against one each other. Hence, predicting an earthquake is currently not possible. Sometimes we also experience earthquakes after a volcanic eruption or an underground nuclear explosion. The areas where these plates meet are more prone to the earthquake than the others. The weak zones are called the seismic or fault zones. The earthquake zones in India are as follows. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. The scale is based on the amount of loss of life and property that an earthquake can cause. The higher the magnitude of an earthquake on the scale, the more destruction it causes. Scientists have also devised an instrument called the seismograph, which records the waves produced by the tremors on the surface of Earth. This helps them estimate its power to cause destruction. Since earthquakes cannot be predicted accurately, it's better to be prepared for it, especially for people. First point, construct homes that are quake resistant. Second point, use timber and mud instead of cement and steel to keep damage minimum. If you find yourself in middle of an earthquake, here are some tips. If you are outside, stay away from buildings, trees and power lines. Stay close to ground. Second tip, if you are at home, sit under a strong table or bed. So stay away from objects that fall in case the tremors increase. Okay guys, this is Mithil signing off. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.